my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday and we are going to GARIUNAI, guys. We are going to GARIUNAI. I'm meeting two of my friends in this market, so I'm kind of running to meet them in the bus. So I'll see you when we get there, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's...
Hi guys, so we've just arrived to the market, the GARIUNAI market. So this is the biggest public market in Lithuania. It takes you around 1 hour from wherever you're living in Vilnius to get to this market. But of course, if you're living in Kaunas, you know, you have to add the time of coming to Vilnius and then going to this market. But it's very close to, like, it's on your route to Kaunas. And yeah, so it's not very in the city of Vilnius. But anyway, it takes around an hour to get there. This market has like everything. In Nigeria, we have markets like this. It's called like... what I say is called, like, we have, you know, different parts, in different cities in Nigeria. We have markets like this. Here they're selling clothing items, they're selling bags. You can see here they have like really nice clothes. And you know, if it's a public market, we kind of say or assume that it's cheaper. Yeah, so that's basically why people come here all the time. And of course, most people here are locals. They're selling their stuff here. Look at that beautiful metal, guys. This man made this thing by hand, and they're all created like by him. It was so beautiful, apart from that scary owl. But you know, let's ignore that. But yeah, he had like beautiful pieces, and I was just showing it here. But this market is really, really big. Like, it is huge. It is big. They're selling everything, like from bags to shoes to boxes to clothing, like name it, underwears, everything. So 3 of us are in this market and we came to buy different things. So my friend, the guy, he wanted to buy a jacket. My friend Iboro, all of them didn't show their face in this video, but guys, my friend Ibe, she wanted to buy a box. And I myself, I came for you guys. I came to make a video for you people. Yeah, guys, I came to show you this market because things are a little bit cheaper here than if you go to the malls, like go to Zara and stuff like that. So guys, you can come here and do your shopping. So anyway, we went to different parts of the market just to see like the prices of things and to, you know, we are not really comparing. We actually know what we wanted to buy here anyway, but it was good for me to see, kind of to compare the prices that they have here in comparison to like the ones we have in the mall. And I think some things here are cheaper and some things here are actually more expensive than the ones you have in the mall. Anyway, guys, so we came here, we're looking for the things we want to buy. I'm here for you guys. I came to film for you people. So guys, I wanted to buy this chopping board, but then I didn't end up buying it. We kind of started having a conversation about this is not something like a podcast. Guys, we started having a conversation about wooden chopping board and plastic, and my friend said that the plastic one is more sustainable and the wooden one is not. So I want to know your comments below. I want to know your opinion, guys. Which one is more sustainable? Do we get the iron one, no, the plastic one, the plastic chopping board, or the wooden one. Because the wooden ones, right, they cut the trees to make them, and they also shred as you use them. Anyway, guys, I want to know your comments below. Look at this beautiful painting, guys. It is so cool. It was 50 euro. That's what the woman said. It was 50 euro, but it was really, really beautiful. So this is the food place of GARIUNAI. This is where they sell the food and everything is happening there. You can buy food products, and here you see it says Maisto Tugus, and Maisto is food market. So this is the food market. This is where you buy all the food you need in Lithuania. Not in Lithuania, but I mean in this market. So, do you want to try a jacket here? Yes. Oh, look at that one. It's nice. Do you like that one? But I don't really like it.
It's thick one. Like something plain.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at that one. Size 50. What kind of?
65.
65.
Last?
65.
Final price?
Which price?
Yeah. Let's go and take it. Apple.
Thank you very much.
Actually, I buy.
Yellow and indigo.
So guys, we ended up buying the jackets there. So also the thing with this market is that you can price. So the man told us initially 65 euro, and we ended up buying the jacket for 50 euro. And guys, right now it's winter. You would not find that's the type of jacket we bought there in any mall for 50 euro. So I would say it's a bargain. So definitely check out this market if you are in Lithuania. In most countries anyway, they have all these public markets. So make sure you go here and check them out and buy things, especially if they are in season. Like right now, winter stuff are expensive in malls, so you can come here and buy what you want, and even other things, other clothing items or food if you want to get them. Anyway, so guys, my second friend who now needs to purchase what she came here to buy, a box. So now we're looking at boxes to see what kind of box we like, the sizing. We wanted to make sure of everything before we make a purchase. There was a man that we already saw. Actually, I'm giving you the full details. We already saw a man that had a box we liked, but we couldn't agree on the price. We were pricing him a certain amount, but he was not really agreeing. So as we were in that shop, the man actually came. We prayed literally that God should direct us, and the man that we met earlier came, and look at him wearing this red jacket. So we actually followed him back to his store and bought the box we originally saw the first time. So we bought it from him, and he actually gave us a discount. We priced it a different price, and we came to an agreement. So that was the end of the things we did here. I ended up buying a glove anyway, but I didn't show it here. I didn't film there. But yeah, at this point we are so hungry, very, very hungry. So we came to this place to buy pastry. We couldn't go into the food place at the GARIUNAI market. So this Circle K is like a filling station. So it was just next to the market, just by the market. So we went here to buy some food, not food really, just pastries. The donut here was insane. Like guys, if you're in Lithuania, go to Circle K and get their donut. It's insane. It is so delicious. Anyway guys, so we bought few things, and the moment we got out, the bus was about to leave. And the bus doesn't come very frequently on weekends, so we were not about to miss this bus for anything at all. So we ran and entered the bus. We ran and entered the bus, guys. I really had a good time in this market. You can tell by my description. So yeah, we got this inside the bus, and then we headed home. I hope you're enjoying this video, guys. Like this video, let me know that you're enjoying it. Like the video, guys. Thank you. Sit down and continue watching. Mwah.
Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
So guys, this was a little later in the evening on my way to church to film like a video in church. I saw people marching in the streets. This is the city center and they were marching for the COVID passport policies. How is the policy for you guys in your own country? What is the COVID passport, what do you mean COVID passport, getting the jab and stuff? What is it like in your own country? So that's what people are saying, like to review the policies and things like that. But yeah, comment below. I want to know what is like in your own state or in your own country. But yeah, now I am currently in church and we are making this video for our welcome address for the church. So that's what we're doing here.
Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kind of nervous to get.
If this is your first time at Journey, please fill out the Connect card so we can stay in touch with you and let you know what's happening.
So guys, go ahead and do. So I've just finished like some activity we had to do in church today. And I think in one of my videos I said I was trying to find a church to go to. So I've kind of found the church, and the name of the church is GARIUNAI. So if you're in Lithuania and you're looking for a church to attend, then you know where to go now. You know where to go. And if I have a clip from the video, I'll probably put it in this video. A video of, the commercial that we are doing. It's not really a commercial, but
The SD card?
the thing that we are doing. If I have the video, then I'm gonna put it up in this place. But yeah guys, I'm gonna be heading home soon and then I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you're doing well. See you tomorrow.
How do you get it?
Feels like
Guys, so it's so rainy and gloomy today. I just got that from the bus from church and I want to buy things from the shop, from the supermarket. So that's what I'm gonna do now and then I'll go home. Okay,
no, I don't know for sure. All I know, didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah.
hi guys. So it's currently 7 something p.m. and since the last time I checked them, the last thing you saw was me in the store, in the supermarket, buying stuff. So after that I got back and ate lunch. I had lunch and then I slept off. I rested because you guys saw yesterday I was running up and down, so I didn't really sleep well. Plus I just I was just feeling tired, and Sunday sleep, so I just slept anyway. And now I want to make dinner. It's currently late for me to have dinner, but guys, it's fine. I need to eat, and that's just it. I don't have rice. I didn't cook this weekend. I have not meal prepped. All the things I bought, I'll be meal prepping tomorrow, or I even need to soak my beans before I sleep. Anyway, I'll be meal prepping tomorrow, but right now I have to make chicken and chips. So that's what I'm gonna be making now, and so that we can have dinner. Okay, so before I went to bed, I actually marinated my chicken. I'll just show you guys now. I brought it out from the fridge. Can you see? Yeah, I marinated my chicken before I slept. So it smells nice. So let's get to baking, cooking, so that we can eat tonight, because it's already very late. But it's okay. Let's cook, okay? Let's cook, guys. Do you want chicken and chips? Should I send you some from Lithuania? Should I send you some? Comment below, let me know if I should send you some. I like this video to let me know that you want to have some chicken. Okay, all right guys, let's start cooking. So guys, my food is ready. This is my dinner. This is what I'll be having tonight, and I'm gonna be using ketchup. This is practically my air fryer food, right? This one took about 15 minutes to make, and this one was 21 minutes. So that's my dinner, guys. Let's go eat. So guys, that's my dinner ready. I'll just go and eat now and just sit down, get some rest, and prepare for whatever I get up to this evening. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I think we should just end the vlog here, and maybe we can continue tomorrow, right? Because I'm making like delicious food tomorrow. But yeah, I'll just end this vlog here so that I can sit down and eat and rest. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. Please kindly like, subscribe, and comment below. I am so sorry, guys, that sometimes it feels like I'm not responding to your messages on Instagram. But guys, please give me time. Like, give me time, guys. I know that it's important for me to stay connected with you guys when I'm not posting video, and like when I'm not posting here on YouTube. But guys, trust me, I am working on it. I'm working to get things like situated properly so that I can be able to do that. But I'm making a plan, guys. Tell me in the comment section, would you like me to come like at least once in a week, reply to messages, connect with you, share with you something? That's my plan. That's what I'm thinking about to do on Instagram and Facebook as well. For some of you that follow me on Facebook, I feel like I'm even more active on Facebook, but I know that some of you are following me on Instagram. So guys, let me know if you are subscribing to the once a week, at least once a week, coming on Instagram to chat with you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate like every single one of you. I really do, guys. And I'm not taking it lightly. I know that I need to come online more, and I'm trying. I'm thinking about it, but I do appreciate every single one of you that comment, like the videos, and subscribe. We're already at 2,300 subscribers now. Thank you all so much. But yeah, guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful day, wonderful afternoon, wonderful morning, whatever time you're watching this video, and God bless you. Goodbye, guys. Mwah. Bye.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time.